Hey folks, so today we are going to take a wee look at the THX range. They're built for a really solid professional grade cinema sound. So in the range you've got in-wall, you've got on-wall and you've got in-ceiling. But today we're going to focus on the in-wall options. So we'll be touching on the THX 502L, the 504L, the 8000S and then the 8000L. Each model then has similar traits. So all in that range, you've got the Tractrix horn-loaded compression drivers, you've got fiberglass or aluminium woofers, you've got the controlled dispersion for wide, even sound across the room so that you're hitting every vantage point, and then you've got the edge-to-edge paintable grills so you can actually make it match in with your surroundings if you want to. So some people like them to stand out, be loud and proud in black or white, or you can have your colour match to your wall, whichever you prefer. The THX 502L and the 504L are both THX Select certified, which means they're ideal for medium to large rooms, whereas the THX 8000L and 8000S are both Ultra 2 certified. They're designed for the larger spaces of over 3,000 cubic feet. So all in all, the THX range has a big sound with a low profile. They're exclusive to Indigo in the UK and Ireland, and hopefully after these videos you'll check them out yourself.